Hello friends, how are you? This is me and Baba again. We will read a book about farm animals today. We will learn about them. The name of the book is Farm Animals. Let's start. Farm Animals.
Sheep and lamb.
A sheep's woolly coat is called a fleece. Farmers shear their sheep each spring when the weather gets warmer. Lambs have softer wool than older sheep. What happens to the sheep's fleece?
The fleece is cleaned and then spun into wool. The wool is then dyed, ready to be made into cloths and blankets. Cow and calf.
This cow is standing with a baby calf. Cows mostly eat grass and spend all day grazing to get the nourishment they need. Cows also eat cattle cake, which is a mixture of grains. How often are cows milked?
Cows are milked twice a day. The milk is sent to the dairy to be cleaned. Milk can also be made into butter, cheese, cream, and yogurt. Piglets.
A mother pig can give birth to as many as 20 piglets at a time. This group of piglets is called a litter. Pigs often like to keep cool in the mud, but are really very clean animals. What do pigs eat?
Pigs are omnivores. This means that they eat all types of food, vegetables, grains, and even meat.
Hens and chickens. Chickens can't fly like other birds because their wings aren't big enough. Female chickens are called hens and usually lay one egg a day. Male chickens are called cockerels. They often crow early in the morning. How can you tell if an egg is fresh?
Try putting it in a glass of water. If the egg floats, it isn't fresh. An older egg has more air inside because the yolk and white have started to dry up. The air in the egg helps it to float. Shire horse.
Shire horses are very strong and are used on farms to pull heavy weights. You can recognize Shire horses by the thick hair on their lower legs. Like all horses, Shire horses wear metal shoes to protect their hooves from damage. How are horses measured?
They are measured in hands. A hand is the width of an adult hand, and you measure from the ground to the bottom of the horse's neck. Shire horses are very big, about 17 hands.
Thank you. Hope you liked it. Stay safe. Goodbye.